Hey, welcome. In this video, I will share with you 7 actionable tips that you can leverage on to increase your Facebook ads click-through rate. This will in turn increase and improve your Facebook ads performance and also help you reduce your cost. Okay guys, without further ado, let's get started with today's tutorial. Okay guys, so welcome back. Now, before we get started, please do like this video so that YouTube can show it to more people that are interested in similar solution. And if this is your first time on my channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button below and also turn on the bell notification, because I publish valuable content every Thursday. Trust me, you do not want to miss any of my video content. So guys, let's get started. Now, before we start, I would like to talk about what CTR or click-through rate means, because you need to understand what CTR is. Now, CTR is just the rate of people that saw your advert compared to the rate of people that actually clicked on the advert. So let's assume you have about 1,000 people that saw your advert, and out of that 1,000 people, just 80 people clicked on that advert to your website. So if you calculate the percentage, that will give you the click-through rate. So guys, let's get started with the first tip. Now, the first tip I would like to share with you is ensure the first 3 lines of your ad copy is captivating and relatable. Now listen, this is what I'm trying to say. If you notice on Facebook ads platform, Facebook only showed the first 3 lines of your ad copy. This is what your audience will see. If your ad copy is longer than 3 lines, they will need to click on see more to see all of your ad copy. So you want to ensure this first 3 lines that they are seeing, you want to ensure that it is captivating. And not just that, if it is captivating, can they relate to your ad copy? Can they relate to your ad message? These are the things you need to put into consideration, because what you are simply doing is you want to get their attention, retain their attention, and then convert this attention to an action. The action is them clicking on your advert. So you need to understand this. Okay, so the second tip is you using relevant emojis to draw people's attention to your advert. Now, I've been using this for like 2 years now. I've always used emojis in my ad copy, and you don't want to use it the wrong way, because if you do, it will affect your advert in a negative way. So basically what you want to do is you want to use an emoji that is relevant to your ad copy. Now, it's not a must use emoji if you cannot find any that is relevant to your ad copy. So if you can find one, just make sure you use it. And I use it at the beginning of my ad copy. Trust me, people can easily relate with emoji. It just works. You get it now? It works. All right, so the third tip I would like to share is, if you are using video ad creative, you want to use border. You want to put border around your video. Now, on this border, you can add captions or subtitle of the video. Now, you don't necessarily need to do this, but if your video will work this way, then fine, just try it out, and trust me, you see the result. Because when you have a frame or a border around your video, it gets people's attention. There's a way it gets people's attention. So you can even use emojis on this border. Trust me, it works just fine. Now, the fourth tip I would like to share with you is use a clear call to action. Now, when I say call to action, all of your adverts, every advert you write must always have a call to action, because you want to tell the viewer or the reader what they are to do after reading your ad copy. So there is a difference between you saying click on this link to visit our website and you saying click on this link if you click on this link to increase your sales. Do you get it now? Click on this link to get more fit, something like that. So you want to have a call to action that is very, very clear. This little thing can be a game changer for you. It will affect your click-through rate because you want them to actually click on your link to your website or your landing page or sales page. So guys, that is the fourth tip. Now the fifth tip is, if you are using a long form copy, you want to make sure that you have your call to action placed in more than one place. So you don't just want to have your call to action at the end of your ad copy, because people that are reading your ad copy, they are different people. We are wired in different ways. So some people will prefer to read all of your ad copy before they click. Some will just read a little and click. So you want to strategically place your CTA in your ad copy. You don't just place it anywhere. So you can just maybe after the first three line place your what's it called, the CTA, your call to action. Then after some paragraphs again, you place the call to action. If you still have more, place the call to action. But you don't want to make it look as if you are spamming. Just 2 is okay, or 3 depending on the length of your copy. So that will also help you. Now the sixth tip I would like to talk about is, I use this a lot. Just use short form copy and short form video. Like, use these two as your ad, both ad copy, both and ad creative. Short form copy, short form creative. Trust me, they work like magic, because your readers or your potential customers, they have a very short attention span. And if you have been following my videos for a while, I've been screaming, start creating short form video. I'm not saying long form video does not work, but you see, you want to get the clicks, but make sure you are not just getting the clicks, you are getting quality clicks. But trust me, if you do it the right way, then it should work for you. So guys, I hope you are getting value. If you are really getting value, please like this video and also comment on this video. Now the last tip I would like to share is use attention grabbing thumbnails, because the thing is, you are not just getting the clicks. Before you get the clicks, someone needs to see your advert. When they see it, if the advert gets their attention, that is when they will pause to see what the advert is all about. And if they are convinced enough, they will click on the link, and that is the goal. They will click on the link. So you want to make sure they are using an attention grabbing thumbnail, a thumbnail that someone will see and they will be curious to wait and pause that. Wait, what was this business? What was this page all about? What was this particular video talking about? So you want to use an attention grabbing thumbnail. Now here is the thing, all of these things will work for you provided that you have a good or a converting landing page or sales page or website, because it is not enough getting these clicks if your offer is weak, if your landing page the copy on your landing page or website is weak, then trust me, you won't see results. So getting the click is not enough. I actually created a detailed tutorial on this subject. I created a detailed tutorial, and to my surprise, most people are not watching that video. I would advise you go watch the video. Just click on the link that you are seeing on your screen. Visit the link you are seeing on your screen at adelekesami.com/fan, or check the description. I'll put the link to the video in the description below. The video, what it explains is, it shows you how you can understand your Facebook ad campaign, the metrics of your Facebook ad campaign, how you can analyze all of this data, and then take some decisions, make some decisions based on this data that you have gathered and analyzed. This will help you troubleshoot your campaign that are not working, and will help you improve and revive campaigns that are really dead. So I would advise you to go watch that particular tutorial. So guys, I want to believe you got value from this video. Yeah, one more thing is, I created a particular tutorial last week where I talked about Facebook ads trend for 2022. Trust me, if you have not watched that video, you need to go watch it, because you need to start preparing yourself, positioning your brand and your business towards 2022. These are predictions, these are things that are likely going to happen based on so many things, many factors. These are what you should start looking at. So guys, that will be the end of this tutorial, and I want to believe you got value. If you do got value, please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.